Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we will introduce you to another exciting gallery making tool, the Koral widget by Pixel Gallery for Elementor. Now Koral is a unique feat for Pixel Gallery add-on as it is an image gallery indeed, but it possesses a small vibe of a product gallery. On display, you can see all images having a tiny arrow close to the bottom right corner, and hovering over the items brings out a content window with the title, text and a read more button. There's the featured animation for the Koral widget. The color of the arrow or the background of the content area is customizable, so it's possible to create lots of unique layouts easily. So let me give you a quick tour of the back-end controls for the Koral widget. On the screen, the widget is already dropped inside the page. The first option lets you choose the number of grid template columns for the gallery. You can adjust the row gap and column gap scroll bars to change the white space between the items. You can also customize the image height for all items from here. There is a masonry switchers below. Skipping the title and text switchers, you can customize the image size from this option below. Then click on the link option and select media file. Then change the link target to only button. This makes the read more button visible on hover window. Next, the item section has all the gallery items listed inside. You can add more by clicking the add item button. Now let's click on the first item box, and here you can change the image of the gallery item. Then change the title text and the description text from below. Following this, you can customize the rest. It'll look something like this. Now we'll go back to the first item, open the item box and switch to the grid subsection. From here, let's change the column span to 8 so the item consumes the space of 8 grid template columns. Let's do the same with the fourth item. And also the fifth item. Now the layout will have a more organized and unique outlook. Next, we'll do some appearance customizations. Let's go to the Style tab. From the Items section, let's add some values in border radius to curve the edges. Then move to the Content section and select a background color with less opacity. Then add padding values here to apply space around the content. Now hover over the items and check how it looks. Perfect. Next, go to the title section and start customizing the font through the typography option. Also apply a white tone to the text title. Right below, change the description text color to white while lowering the opacity a bit. Also change its typography. After that, go to the icon section and change the icon color first. Then customize the icon background color. Then move to the last section and change the background color of the read more button. Then change the text color. Check that out. Then switch to the hover menu and reverse the color order. Now the button looks like this. We can round the button corners by adding values in the border radius field. Then apply and customize the padding. Check how it looks now. Then customize the typography to match the gallery title and description text. All done, look at the stunning image gallery you have just created. This is how easy it is with the Koral widget by Pixel Gallery. Thanks for enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get updates on new tutorial videos. Stay safe and see you next time.